sad demise of Sitharam Yechury has created a big vacuum to the national politics. I got the opportunity to work with him as a deputy leader while he was the leader of the CPIM in Rajya Sabha. He was the most acceptable parliamentarian in the House. All parties came to him to make consensus on different issues. It's a big loss to the party, the left and the country.
उनकी जिंदगी अपने सत्ता के लिए जिंदगी उनकी सत्ता पाने के लिए रहती है। और सीताराम जैसे लोग हैं, उनको मालूम है कि सत्ता में हम केंद्र में आने नहीं वाले, तो सारी जिंदगी उन्होंने दूसरों के लिए गुजार दी। ये अंतर है। वेरी फ्यू पीपल in this country, especially politicians, most of them think about themselves, right? Are in parties that think about themselves when they will come to power, when they will get the benefits of power, when they become ministers, when they'll get positions. But people like Sitaram gave their lives for others, not for themselves. They knew they were never going to come to power, and yet all their lives was for others. How many people do you find like that? और मेरे तो बहुत गहरे मित्र थे, मतलब कि राजनीति में, राज्यसभा में हमने कई वर्ष साथ साथ में बिताए, और जब वो खड़े होते थे पार्लियामेंट में तो सब चुप रहते थे. He used to mesmerize Parliament by his interventions. And the breadth of knowledge, the empathy with ordinary people, वंचित लोग, दलित लोग, आदिवासी लोग, जो उनका हृदय में उनके लिए जो धड़कन थी, वो कम ही लोगों में है. तो मैं तो समझता हूं कि हिंदुस्तान को, इस देश को बहुत भारी नुकसान हुआ है कि इतनी जल्द वो चले गए.
I'm here on the behalf of my party and also on a personal level to pay my respects to a very important and great leader of this country. His loss is just not a political loss to this nation. He was a thinker, a writer, a philosopher, and also a great inspiration to the next generation of politicians, because his life was about holding on to his ideology and never giving up on it at any cost. And beyond that, he also loved people. Whatever differences they had politically, he was one per leader. Everybody loved and respected, and he respected people with completely, a different spectrum of ideas. He always learned to treat them as human beings and, respect them. And that is something all the leaders have to learn from him. And he was very close to my father, Kalaignar, and also to our leader M.K. Stalin. And I think it's a personal loss because his sense of humor and the way he used to debate and always had open conversations with people was a big loss for me personally also.